In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add, edit or delete posts in your WordPress blog or WordPress hosted site. Okay, so first things first, we're logged into our WordPress site, and for those of you that don't know how to access this area, what you need to do is put in your site address, which in our case is 3manfactory.co.uk, and then it's /wp-admin. And that will take you to your sign-in screen. Once you enter your login information, it will bring you onto the dashboard, which is where we are here. In terms of posts, what that relates to are either the area within your WordPress hosted site that is the news section or the blog section generally. And on the menu on the left hand side, you'll see we have a tab called posts here. So if I hover over that, you'll see we've got 4 different options. All posts, which will take us to any post we've already added, any draft posts or anything like that. We have add new, we have categories, which we'll explain about in a later tutorial, and tags, which we'll also explain about in a later tutorial. So for now, we're going to select all posts. As you can see, that's now taken us through to a screen with a list in chronological order of all of the posts that are on the site at the moment. At the top here you can see we can sort through these posts by all, posts that have been published, posts that are scheduled, again we'll be talking about this in a later tutorial, and drafts as well. For the moment, all we need to look at is how to add a post, which can be done in 2 ways. We can either click the add new post here, or if I just quickly flick back, you'll see there's also an add new post button at the top here. So if I select that, that's now taken us through to a screen where we can start to enter in any details or post information for whatever the news or blog item might be. So that's how to add a new post. We'll be going into how to configure and format that post in a later tutorial. But we also said we were going to show you how to edit any posts that you'd previously worked on. So you can either hover over a post, and as you can see, a little menu pops up underneath. So we could select edit, and that will then take us into that particular post. And if we wanted to edit any of the content, the title, anything like that in there, we could do. If I go to a post with, there we go, what about, here we go, let's edit that one. Again, you can see there's a little bit more in this one. We've got images, hyperlinks, a lot of text. We can now go in there and begin to edit that post if we wanted. And then the last thing we're going to show you is how to delete a post. Again, as we hover over each, the little menu pops up and the trash button appears as well. If you want to check whether it's the right post before you trash it, if you click on the post, you see when we're actually in the post itself, there is a move to trash button over here. If you're wanting to edit a number of posts at the same time, we can tick and select, and then select edit or move to trash and click the apply button. So that is how to add a post, edit a post and delete a post within your WordPress blog or WordPress hosted site.